Namaskar. Welcome to GST5 India. I am Lakshmi bringing you the latest updates on GST and tax reforms. On 17 September 2025, the Government of India issued major notifications that will take effect from 22 September 2025. These notifications are part of a massive GST rate restructuring based on the decisions of the 56th GST Council meeting. Notification number 9/2025 Central Tax Rate. This notification revises the GST rate structure for goods, replacing the earlier 2017 notification. Goods are now categorized into 7 schedules, each with a different GST rate. Schedule I, 5% GST on essential goods like milk powder, pulses, cereals, rice, wheat, edible oils, sugar, soaps, toothpaste, books, sanitary napkins, renewable energy devices like solar panels, and basic medicines. Schedule 2, 18% GST on common goods such as processed foods, household appliances, televisions, mobile phones, furniture, and footwear above the threshold limit. Higher schedules like Schedule 5 and 6 include luxury and sin goods with higher tax rates. Notification number 10/2025 Central Tax Rate. This provides GST exemption for certain specified goods when supplied within the same state, easing the tax burden for businesses and making these goods more affordable for consumers. Notification number 14/2025 Central Tax Rate. A 6% CGST rate is introduced for bricks, tiles, and fly ash products, directly impacting construction and real estate sectors. Notification number 2/2025 Compensation Cess Rate. The compensation cess on certain aerated drinks and similar products is now reduced to 0, lowering the overall tax burden on these items. Notification number 36/2025 Customs. The customs duty rate for items listed under serial number 404 is revised to 18%, affecting the import cost of those goods. These reforms will significantly impact businesses and consumers across India. Stay informed and ensure timely compliance with the new rules before 22 September 2025. For more updates on GST notifications, subscribe to GST5 India. See you next time with the latest tax news.